We will study today some basic concepts of chemistry. As we have studied in 9th class and 10th class, this is symbolic representation of element. Sodium 11 and 23. This 11 is atomic number and 23 is atomic mass or mass number. We have some elements here like hydrogen, sodium, carbon, oxygen, sulfur. We have 118 elements, and 118 elements, they have their own atomic masses as well as atomic number. So we will study here atomic masses. Like hydrogen has atomic mass is equal to 1 U means unified mass, 1 U or gram. Suppose I have to write atomic mass of hydrogen, so we will write 1 U or we will write 1 gram. This unified mass we have studied already in 9th class, so it's our wish to write U or G. Sodium 23 gram, carbon 12 gram, oxygen 16 gram, sulfur 32 gram. Other elements, they have their own atomic masses. So this is atomic mass. Atomic mass means mass number of atoms. Suppose if I write hydrogen, H2, hydrogen molecule. Now this is not atom, this is molecule. So here we will say molar mass because this is molecule. Atomic mass is molar mass. So how to find molar mass? 2 into H, 2 as it is, and atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So 2 gram or 2 unified mass. We will write here grams only because we will do some numericals. So 2 gram is molar mass of hydrogen molecule. So this 2 gram is considered as 1 mole. Same molar mass of H2SO4, how we can find? 2 hydrogens are there, 2 into hydrogen, plus 1 sulfur is there, 1 into sulfur, plus how many oxygen atoms are here? 4, then 4 into oxygen. 2 into 1 plus 1 into sulfur, 32 gram because atomic mass of sulfur is 32 gram, and 16. 2 plus 32 plus 64. So we will be getting here 98 gram. 98 gram is molar mass of H2SO4, sulfuric acid. So this is also 1 mole. Like I have carbon, 1 into C. How many oxygen atoms are there? 2. So 1 into 12 plus 2 into 16. So 12 plus 32, 44 gram. 44 gram of carbon dioxide will make 1 mole. We have studied already. And this is our glucose. So 6 into carbon plus 12 into hydrogen plus 6 into oxygen. So 6 into 12 plus 12 into 1 plus 6 into 16. So we will multiply here. At last we will get 180 gram. So 180 gram is also known as 1 mole of glucose. See, 1 mole of any of the atom or molecule or compound is its atomic mass or the molar mass. Suppose I have 98 gram of H2SO4. The 98 gram of H2SO4 will make 1 mole. Here only 2 grams of hydrogen molecule will make 1 mole. 1 mole of carbon dioxide, 44 grams. When I have 44 grams, then I have 1 mole of carbon dioxide. And if I have 22 grams, half of it, so I will have half mole of carbon dioxide. So 1 mole or atomic mass or molar mass of any of the element, atom, molecule or compound is fixed. Like I have water, H2O, then molar mass of water is 18 gram. Molar mass of water is 18 gram. Suppose I have 18 gram of water, means I have 1 mole of water. 9 gram of water, then half mole of water. 1 mole, 98 gram H2SO4, carbon dioxide, 44 grams. Suppose I have 22 gram, then half mole. 11 gram, then half of half. So how many moles are there? How many moles are there in 6 gram of carbon dioxide? So obviously that will be lesser than 1 mole. So how to find number of moles? There is formula given mass over molar mass. Given mass is represented by W and molar mass is represented by M. This molar mass is fixed. Like fixed molar mass of H2SO4, carbon dioxide, glucose and any other also. So how to find number of moles? The formula is given mass over molar mass and number of moles is represented by N. So we can have formula N is equal to W over M. Given mass over molar mass. Molar mass is fixed. As we discussed right now, molar mass of water is 18. See, so very small numerical is here. Find number of moles in 54 gram of water. I have 54 gram of water, then how many moles are there? So very first we must know the molar mass of water. Formula of water is H2O. So 2 into H plus 1 into O. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16. 2 plus 16, that is 18 gram. So if I have 18 gram of water, 18 gram of water, then I have 1 mole of water. So right now I have how many grams of water? 54. So how many moles are there? This 54 is given mass. And given mass is represented by W. This 18 gram is molar mass. And that is represented by M. So number of moles we will find given mass over molar mass. So number of moles, given mass is 54 and molar mass is 18. N is equal to 3. So how many moles are there? 3 moles are there. In 54 gram of water, we have 3 moles. With the same case, we can calculate number of moles. Suppose I have right now 2 gram of water. Then how many moles I have? I have 5 gram of water. I have 0.65 gram of water. I have 10 gram of water. And how many moles are there? So right now I have 4 numericals. One numerical is done already. 4 numericals. Numerical number 2, numerical number 3, numerical number 4, numerical number 5. So just calculate how many moles are there, how many moles of water are there when I have 2 gram of water, 5 gram of water, 0.65 gram of water and 10 gram of water. Very much obvious that 18 gram will make 1 mole. 18 gram will make 1 mole. We have 2 grams, 5 grams, 0.65, 10 gram. So the answer which will come of all these numericals must be lesser than 1. So these are given masses. Molar mass you know. So just write down and just solve the numericals, numerical number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Thanks.